Have you ever wondered if you can withdraw funds from a Robinhood Cash account? It's a common question among new investors. Let's dive into the details. Imagine you've made a killing on a stock and you're itching to cash out. You open your Robinhood app, and there it is, your growing balance. But can you actually withdraw it? Let's find out. Understanding Robinhood Cash. Before we get into withdrawals, let's clarify what Robinhood Cash is. It's essentially a brokerage account that allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options without paying commissions. It's a popular choice for beginners due to its simplicity and low fees. The withdrawal process. Now, the burning question, can you withdraw funds from a Robinhood Cash account? The answer is yes, but with a few caveats. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Robinhood account, open the Robinhood app or website and enter your login credentials. Navigate to your portfolio. Once logged in, you'll see your portfolio. Tap or click on the Portfolio tab. Select the Withdraw option. Look for a button or option labeled Withdraw or something similar. It might be located under the Account or Settings section. Enter the withdrawal amount. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that there may be minimum withdrawal amounts. Choose your withdrawal method. Robinhood typically offers a few options for withdrawals, such as bank transfer or check. Select your preferred method. Confirm your withdrawal. Review the details of your withdrawal and confirm your request. Important considerations. While the withdrawal process itself is straightforward, there are a few important factors to consider. Settlement time. It usually takes a few business days for funds to be transferred to your bank account or for a check to arrive. Minimum withdrawal amounts. Robinhood may have minimum withdrawal amounts, especially for certain withdrawal methods. Holding periods. For certain stocks, you might need to hold them for a specific period before you can sell and withdraw the proceeds. This is known as a holding period. Market conditions. In volatile market conditions, Robinhood may temporarily restrict withdrawals to protect its customers and maintain market stability. Robinhood Cash versus other account types. It's worth noting that the withdrawal process might differ slightly between Robinhood Cash and other account types, such as Robinhood Gold or Robinhood Crypto. Always check the specific terms and conditions for your account type. Common questions and concerns. Let's address some common questions and concerns people often have about withdrawing funds from Robinhood Cash. Can I withdraw funds immediately? No, there's typically a settlement period involved. Are there any fees associated with withdrawals? Robinhood generally doesn't charge fees for withdrawals, but your bank might. What happens if I need to withdraw funds urgently? In rare cases, you might be able to request an expedited withdrawal, but this is subject to Robinhood's discretion. So, can you withdraw funds from a Robinhood Cash account? Absolutely. The process is generally simple and straightforward. Just remember to consider the settlement time, minimum withdrawal amounts, and potential market restrictions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.